Welcome to Wellness and Mindfulness Digest 2026-0708. Today's 12 stories. Story 1, Digital Mindfulness Intervention for Late Life Depression. Story 2, Meditation to Restore Your Balance event at UNLV. Story 3, Mindfulness Reduces Anxiety Among College Students. Story 4, International Yoga Day 2026, Science on Yoga Benefits. Story 5, Sky Breath Meditation, Science-Backed Benefits. Story 6, Yoga for Healthy Aging, International Yoga Day theme. Story 7, Yoga Benefits for Healthy Aging, Brain and Heart Health. Story 8, MBSR Teacher Training Session. Story 9, Efficacy of Mental and Physical Training on Blood Pressure. Story 10, What is Yoga? A Comprehensive System for Well-Being. Story 11, Himalayan Yoga Class, Benefits of Yoga and Meditation. Story 12, Chair Yoga Class at Broward County Library. Story 1, Digital Mindfulness Intervention for Late Life Depression. Yoga is a holistic system that originated in ancient India, combining physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation to promote overall well-being. Produced by traditional practices, it's now a global phenomenon with millions of practitioners. Why it matters is that yoga offers a natural way to combat modern health issues like stress and sedentary living. Key findings include its ancient origins, components like asanas and pranayama, and goals for physical, mental, and spiritual balance. Notable data points come from texts like Patanjali's Yoga Sutras, which date back thousands of years, and research showing benefits like reduced anxiety. Methodology isn't specified as it's not a research paper. Implications for the field involve promoting mental health and accessibility, while limitations remind us that injuries can occur without proper guidance. In essence, yoga provides a timeless framework for achieving balance in a chaotic world. Story 2, Meditation to Restore Your Balance event at UNLV. This article covers a Himalayan yoga class in Minneapolis, hosted by Sunita Bardwaj Gangapatiye with 18 years of experience. The class combines gentle postures, breathwork, and mindful relaxation for benefits like enhanced flexibility and stress reduction. Key findings include Sunita's PhD in physics and the donation-based pricing with $10 suggested. Why it matters is that yoga offers accessible tools for mental clarity and physical healing in a community setting. Implications involve promoting affordable wellness practices and community engagement. Notable data points are Sunita's background and the event location. Limitations are the absence of empirical evidence. In summary, this class demonstrates how yoga can be adapted for spiritual and physical growth, making it relevant for those seeking balance in their lives. Story 3, Mindfulness Reduces Anxiety Among College Students. This article details a chair yoga class at the Broward County Library on July 9, 2026, led by Leanne Russo. Key findings include benefits like reduced inflammation and improved balance, and the instructor's qualifications. Why it matters is that chair-based yoga makes exercise accessible to everyone, promoting health in public spaces. Implications involve enhancing community wellness and supporting diverse populations. Notable data points are the event date and instructor credentials. Limitations are the absence of research on long-term effects. In essence, this class exemplifies how yoga can be adapted for inclusivity, addressing health needs in a practical, community-driven manner. Story 4, International Yoga Day 2026, Science on Yoga Benefits. As International Yoga Day approaches, modern science underscores yoga's benefits through physical postures, breathing exercises, and mindfulness, promoting holistic health and well-being for individuals of all ages. Story 5, Sky Breath Meditation, Science-Backed Benefits. Sky Breath Meditation, supported by Harvard Medical School and the International Journal of Yoga, effectively calms anxiety, releases stress, and boosts immunity through structured breath meditation techniques designed for quick application. Story 6, Yoga for Healthy Aging, International Yoga Day theme. Yoga is designated as the theme for International Yoga Day 2026, emphasizing its role in healthy aging through physical postures, breathing exercises, and mindfulness practices for comprehensive health improvement. Story 7, Yoga Benefits for Healthy Aging, Brain and Heart Health. Regular yoga practice enhances brain and heart health, supporting healthy aging and overall well-being, with scientific insights into how yoga techniques contribute to longevity and vitality. Story 8, MBSR Teacher Training Session. A session on mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR. Teacher training provides an in-depth look at the program developed by John Kabat-Zinn, combining meditation and mindfulness for effective stress management. Story 9, Efficacy of Mental and Physical Training on Blood Pressure. This study demonstrates that mental and physical training, MAPT, effectively reduces blood pressure by combining meditation and aerobic exercise, offering independent health benefits for cardiovascular wellness. Story 10, What is Yoga? A comprehensive system for well-being. Yoga is presented as a holistic system for physical, mental, and spiritual well-being, originating from ancient India and integrating practices like asanas, pranayama, and meditation for balanced health. Story 11, Himalayan Yoga Class, Benefits of Yoga and Meditation. This Himalayan yoga class offers a relaxing and rejuvenating practice for participants of all levels, emphasizing the benefits of yoga and meditation for achieving inner peace and mental clarity. Story 12, Chair Yoga Class at Broward County Library. A free chair yoga class is offered at the Broward County Library, providing accessible yoga sessions for people of all ages, focusing on gentle physical and mental well-being practices without the need for traditional yoga equipment.